Welcome to guitar lessons for autistic children. If other lessons feel too fast or overwhelming, don't worry. Today we are keeping things really simple. We'll focus on small wins, clear steps, and building your guitar confidence from the very first note.
Learn to play guitar made easy. Simple songs. Easy steps. Let's start, just follow along. Guitar Star Academy.
Our first step today is learning how to hold the guitar. So we take the guitar and the curve of the guitar sits on our thigh like this. So it feels supported, and you want the weight of the guitar to be placed on the thigh as well. The elbow comes over the top, and the guitar should also feel balanced like this. It shouldn't feel like it's falling. There's no rush and nothing needs to change quickly. Just find a position where it feels balanced and comfortable. And that's the win for step one. Before we go on to make some incredible sounds today, we've got to make sure that we're holding the guitar correctly. Okay, I'd just like to cheer you on here for completing step one. Now we've arrived at step two, and there's 3 steps in today's lesson. Step 2 is just a simple repetitive action that we're going to repeat over and over today. We're not going to change anything here. We're just adding an extra step from holding the guitar. The goal isn't to be fast or perfect. It's just to repeat this simple exercise over and over. If this lesson is helping you right now, you can subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos and guitar lessons just like this one. If you are really enjoying it, give the video a thumbs up. It really helps me to know what content and videos to create for you in the future. Now let's jump back to today's lesson. With the nails on the back here, we're just going to push through the strings like this. Slowly and evenly. Slowly and evenly. We call this strumming on the guitar, and there's 2 different ways that we strum. There's a down strum towards the floor, and then there's an up strum towards the sky. So first we're just going to practice the down strum. So have your guitar and just follow along. We're going to go nice and slow. And we just want to repeat that till it feels comfortable and natural. Then we're going to practice the up strum. So we're going to take the nail on the thumb and we're going to go to the bottom of the string here. And then we're going to go upwards like this. Again, just nice, gentle and soft and relaxed. And we just keep repeating until it feels natural. Perfect, you're doing a great job. Now let's add a little bit more onto that if you feel ready for this. We're going to go down twice, up twice, and then down. Have a listen to me do it first. Great, now you try. Pause the video if you need to. If you'd like to keep learning with me, I've also created a book and online course called Guitar Star in 30 Days. It's a simple 30-day challenge designed to take you from your very first steps in guitar playing to 10 real songs with fun tasks on each day. If you'd like a copy, you'll find the link in the description below. You're doing an amazing job. I just want to demonstrate how this would sound in a song. And that's what we call strumming and chords. Now we're going to take the fingers into small movements called finger picking. Okay, so we're going to rest the thumb, the pad of the thumb, on the low string, or what we call string 6. Then we're going to just wiggle our index finger, and we're going to place this on string 3. So if we count up, 1, 2, 3. Now we're on string 3. Then we're going to wiggle our middle finger, and we're going to place that on string 2. And then our ring finger, we're going to place on string 1 like that. Now all the fingers should be touching the strings, and then you can just practice placing them on the strings like that. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to just pull through the string like this. Then each finger is going to take a turn. Again, just take your time, there's no rush here. Now if you feel ready for this, you can then push through with the thumb first, and then the fingers, and then placing the fingers back on like this. Hi, I'm David from Guitar Star Academy. I'm really glad you joined class today. A lot of the students who I teach in person are autistic. And in this lesson, I'm sharing what I've seen work at best, helping learners feel calm, confident, and successful on their guitar. Every child is different, and my goal today is simple: to help you make some cool sounds and enjoy your first steps on the instrument. This lesson is also personal to me because my son is autistic and he also learns guitar too. And he often appears in these videos. I've provided some links in the description if you'd like to see him play. I hope it shows what's possible for you in your own way.